All right, feast your eyes on this. This is the last chance you're gonna have before this looks not fucking stupid. Getting ready to get this party started.
Yeah, but what are we doing?
This is the last chance to see it before it looks not stupid.
Version 3 Alltrack. Go. Get ready. Get ready. Dubs. This Racing Line Parts, shopdap.com. What's
you sound exhausted already?
in the box? Me?
Yes. We're 5 minutes into Alltrack and chill and you're already exhausted.
I'm sorry, I can't.
All right, take one last good look.
This is complete chaos. 4 people actually working on it actively.
Not the other thing.
No grab thing going on currently. Well, I guess I'm technically grab because I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna get a floor jack though, so I can lift this thing up.
Oh snap!
Oh yeah, dubs, buddy. Dubs, chicka, yeah. Our Q5 accessory wheels. These are legit 2-piece OEM Audi wheels.
I figured I'd stop by and see what you guys are screwing up tonight. It's a Carolina squat.
We're lifting the front. We're lifting the front and putting 20s on it.
We got an F&G spinning the coilovers up.
I think you should spin them up.
I think
what
you
I
should
said.
too.
I can spin them up.
Yeah, we'll film.
Yeah, we'll
spin.
get it. Give me that.
You want gloves?
I think it'll be fun.
And then hit the
Oh, Jesus.
It's in sports.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! All right. Let's put that out of sport mode and go back to... Hey, Paul, look what we convinced him to do.
No, I want to do this.
Nathan's working on it?
This is easy.
Do you got evidence that Nathan works? He's got sport mode.
Make sure.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Whoa. Recognize you very nice. Yeah.
Do you not want to go home tonight or something?
We don't. You know what's up there? Cots. Lots of cots.
No, I said cots.
Oh, cots. Lots of cots.
Ow, you just hit me with the dongle in the eye. Ow.
Should I do it like the vloggers? Like, all right, here. Like, give me that.
Trigger.
Give me. What is this?
It's a ruler.
I don't want a ruler.
You said thing of measure.
I want the calipers. Easy. You almost chopped off my hand. Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
That was exciting.
That was exciting. When are you gonna make the volcano?
Guys, we're getting ready to get this party started.
Donk Nation. Woo! Rolling shots.
Yeah! Fucking hey, these things are heavy.
How much does that weigh? If you had to guess. Since you're not skipping arm day today.
55 pounds? No, more than that. More than
Oh, we almost lost our fingers. Oh my God.
more than 55.
That rookie move.
Get ready, guys. We gotta start running this.
Oh my God, this is ridiculous.
It doesn't look as
We might have to. We might have to lower that. Hey, like that.
This thing's looking pretty good.
We're in the back of the Alltrack, trying to get some
Squat action.
sweet pictures.
This is how you guys, super gangster, you have to be this far back. You have to be able to see out of the back window, check your blind spot.
Dub magazine, bruh.
Rubbing kind of badly.
Well, yeah, I expect that.
What are you doing? We're bottomed out, Paul. Where's the emergency release back here?
There isn't any.
How do we get out?
You can't get out until I let you out. Because you're my bitch now.
Oh shit. I can't feel my neck anymore.
It's okay, you don't need that.
Very cramped.
We keep having a cylinder tube misfire. We already changed plugs out, coils out, because no history was ever done on it, so we did it anyways. It did not solve the misfire, so now we gotta find why it's misfiring. 75. 100.
This is not really super promising.
You want to try a different compression tester?
Yeah, let's do it with a different compression tester. Oh, there's the compression. He's saying 160 on cylinder 1. 150, 160,
Okay.
160.
We initially thought that we had bad compression.
No.
But then upon further review,
We just have a bad compression tester.
Wait, sunlight. I hear something.
That was my nose.
No, I hear something.
So does the leak down tester suck too?
it seems like it.
Test hose is stored under lip of carry case cavity. Remove cylinder leak tester from carry case to access
No,
the hose.
the leak down.
Nice instructions.
If everybody would stop talking, the leak down tester is leaking.
Oh.
Max blowing O-ring.
I don't have any O-rings. I'm a human. This one has like a 0.5%.
That's nothing. So it's even less than the other one.
Yep.
I think it could be a problem.
Carbon?
I think it could be bullshit.
I think it could be carbon.
Carbon could be. I have no idea what it could be actually.
What, the misfire?
Yeah. It's frankly not that important. Fault that pops up every now and again. It's not a hard miss, right? Have we been able to duplicate it when we run
No, you
it?
can't duplicate it.
Right now I'm putting our lift block back in.
Do you want to keep it?
Because we got to go back to off-road mode. So off-road tires got to go on at some point before we go to our race, and hopefully we don't break any axles this time. Max broke this motherfucker last time.
It was a group effort.
Right now we got to take the bumper off. So we got to do that no matter what. So let's do that. Okay. Now we can assess. No, we need that. That stays in no matter what. You just throw the off-road shit on it and be done with it for tonight.
What?
You see the ice? It's icy, son. They're not that heavy. 58.5.
Those are really heavy.
53.2.
That's not bad at all.
What am I doing?
I don't know.
Okay.
Taking it away from me.
I'll just stand here and hold it.
He doesn't have rocks in his tires. We need the spacers too, if you recall.
The OG bumper's going back on.
Oh yeah, get excited people. Get excited. Yeah, hold on.
Hold on.
Let me help you.
I'm doing it.
Let me help you. You're not gonna get in both
I
sides.
always do one at a time. You did this too soon, Junior.
Oh.
Wait, who's the one who did it too soon?
You.
No, I was helping you.
Yeah, because I was ready, and then you made me not ready.
So I'm hoping this will be funny. Might not be. Aha.
Yo!
No!
What are you doing?
You're stuck.
Full set.
Doesn't work. It only works for voices.
Okay, we did. we.
You have to push the button, you imbecile. You have to hit the button.
No, it's already on, isn't it?
No.
Isn't it on? No. Oh. Well, I thought it was on. Okay. Over here.
Hey, my guy, my right here. Hey, you see this right
I
here?
don't want to put the spring in until you put the shock. Apparently they didn't believe that we were gonna make this an off-road and a track car. I've seen multiple people who said that. They said, I didn't believe it. Believe it, motherfuckers. Believe it. What is that, a cricket?
You put a cricket on my shoulder.
Angry cricket. Don't kill him, don't kill him.
Don't you kiss
No, that cricket's been in my bag.
Yeah, I think it's cool like this.
We're back.
stuff in the back. Or else you won't have full cars like this.
Hold on.
Why would you do that? You not listening to hold on?
He's like, they just arrived. They haven't set up their cameras yet.
Let me floor it. Oh, did you guys want to film? Too bad.
He's so excited.
I'm pretty happy about it. We got some dust on it already.
I'm glad.
Max,
We're gonna actually leave it in the stupid donk mode. I don't know if you, did you see it?
Max,
They have seen the donk mode?
They've seen the donk mode by now. Max was not happy about the donk mode situation.
We could have been done by now if we didn't do the donk mode.
It's true we would be done by now if we would
But
be...
it was so funny.
Oh.
Goodbye.
Bye.